Hello everyone, your friend Shubham this side and you're watching ATS channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to use margin calculator. So this margin calculator comes very handy when you are trying bunch of different strategies and you want to know what is the exact margin which is required to execute this trade. So let's get further into it and know how to calculate the margin requirement. So whenever you are ready, just go to Aditya Trading.in. Here on right hand side you'll find calculator. Suppose I take Nifty 16,000 CE, that is call option, and sell it, save it. See, here you can see initial margin, that is span margin, exposure margin, and this is the total margin requirement. Suppose I add some other Nifty, suppose I add Nifty future and buy it and save it. This is Nifty future, this is the initial margin requirement, exposure margin will be same, and this is the cross margin benefit. So what exactly you have done here is you have hedged your position. You sold a call option and then you purchased a future, so it makes your margin requirement a little less. You have basically hedged your position. So this is now your total margin requirement. You can also add any other stock option. I'll just add Bank Nifty 35,500 CE, and I purchase it and save it. So here you see when I added Bank Nifty and I bought this option, the margin requirement is 0. This is because when you buy any option, whether it is call option or put option, there's no requirement, or there's no margin requirement is there. You only have to pay the premium amount. Margin requirements only comes when you sell an option. So that's it. That's how margin calculator works. And yes, as always, if you have any comment, compliment or suggestion for us, please write us on support@adityaTrading.com. You can also call or WhatsApp us at 766-727-3344. Thank you.